Today's gospel shows something very beautiful about Jesus. He does not look away from people who are hurting. He sees their pain. He feels compassion. And then he takes action. He heals the sick and he feeds the hungry. As we walk through Advent, this is the Jesus we are waiting for. A God who draws close to us. A God who notices even the small struggles we try to hide. But his example is also a call for us. Compassion is not just a feeling. It is something we live out. Even small acts can mean so much. A simple visit, a kind message, a quiet prayer for someone who feels alone. Just like the little loaves that Jesus blessed, our small kindness can become a great blessing. So today, let us ask for a heart like His. A heart that sees, a heart that feels, a heart that acts. And in our simple acts of love, may others taste the love of Jesus this Advent. Amen.